In today's video, we want to learn how to create a godown. For this, we will go with create. Then this option will be selected the godown under inventory masters. Create new because we want to create a new godown location. We will put the name of the location like Kolkata. It will be primary. Accept yes. I want another one like Dum Dum. Enter accept this. Now I want to see the godowns we just created. For this we will go the gateway of Tally. Now we will go with display mode reports. Then we will select the inventory books. Then we will select the godowns. Now we can see the godowns like Dum Dum, Kolkata we just created. Thank you for watching.